Hey everyone! Welcome to our video on content marketing strategy for startups, brought to you by Skill Career. If you're launching a new business and wondering how to spread the word, engage your audience, and grow without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's explore how a smart content strategy can set your startup apart and help you build a strong digital presence. At Skill Career, we understand the challenges that come with starting a business. That's why we're here to guide you through practical, effective ways to leverage content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic approach focused on creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Instead of pushing your products directly, you provide helpful information that solves problems and builds trust with your audience. This leads to better brand awareness, customer engagement, and eventually, more sales. Startups often have limited budgets, and traditional advertising can be costly. Content marketing is cost-effective and delivers long-term results. It helps build credibility, drives organic traffic, supports SEO, and nurtures leads over time. Plus, it helps you connect with your target audience in a meaningful way. When done right, it becomes a powerful foundation for all your marketing efforts. Before creating content, it's important to know what you want to achieve. Common goals for content marketing include increasing website traffic, generating leads, improving brand awareness, or boosting sales. Your goals will shape your strategy and help measure success. At Skill Career, we recommend setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to keep your strategy focused and results-driven. Understanding your target audience is key. Create buyer personas by identifying your ideal customer's age, interests, problems, and online behavior. This helps you produce content that speaks directly to their needs and motivates them to take action. Use surveys, feedback, and market research to better understand your audience's pain points and preferences. The better you know your audience, the more effective your content will be. Not every platform is right for every startup. Focus on where your audience spends their time. For example, LinkedIn works well for B2B, Instagram and TikTok are great for younger consumers, and YouTube is perfect for how-to videos and product demos. Choose platforms that align with your brand voice and customer behavior. Quality always beats quantity. Start small, test, and grow your presence over time. Startups can use many types of content like blog posts, videos, infographics, social media posts, ebooks, webinars, and newsletters. Mix things up to keep your audience engaged. Educational content, behind-the-scenes looks, customer stories, and industry insights are all valuable. At Skill Career, we advise startups to begin with content they can consistently produce, whether that's short videos, weekly blog posts, or helpful infographics. A content calendar helps you stay organized and consistent. Plan your content in advance, align it with your business goals, and keep track of what's been published. Tools like Trello, Notion, or Google Sheets can help manage your calendar. Set realistic publishing goals and don't overcommit. Consistency builds trust and sets expectations for your audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, helps your content rank higher in search engines. Use keywords naturally, create high-quality content, and make sure your website is mobile-friendly. SEO can drive organic traffic and improve visibility. Learn the basics of on-page SEO like meta descriptions, headers, and alt tags. Don't forget about technical SEO. Site speed and structure also impact rankings. Creating great content is just the first step. Promote it through social media, email newsletters, partnerships, and even paid ads if budget allows. Repurpose your content across channels. For example, turn a blog post into a video or infographic. The more people who see your content, the more impact it will have. At Skill Career, we believe in amplifying content through strategic outreach and collaborations. Track your results using tools like Google Analytics or social media insights. Look at metrics like traffic, engagement, conversions, and shares. Use this data to understand what works and adjust your strategy for better results. Regularly review your performance and don't be afraid to experiment. Content marketing is a long game, but small improvements lead to big gains over time. That wraps up our video on content marketing strategies for startups. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be consistent, stay focused on your goals, and always keep your audience in mind. With time and effort, content marketing can be one of your startup's most powerful tools. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Skill Career, your partner in growth and digital success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your startup.